Welcome, today we have Moto E22. As you can see, there is no reset option in the recovery mode. So I will show you how to unlock this phone. First, power off the device. Now go to the TSM tool. There we have many options. First, we need to do wipe data. Now connect the phone. Done. Second step, we need to remove FRP Google Lock. So wait for the phone, and next we need to do the FRP unlock. Okay, so the phone is reset. And as you can see, there is no lock, so everything works fine now. So thank you for watching, don't forget to subscribe, and until the next time.